12 years after the premiere of the first Audi R8 GT, Audi Sport GmbH is launching the second edition of this exclusive super sports car, the new Audi R8 Coupé V10 GT rear-wheel drive. The 5.2-liter, naturally aspirated V10 engine's output is boosted to 620 PS, making it the most powerful rear-wheel drive unit in the history of the brand. A new 7-speed dual-clutch transmission for faster shifts and the new torque rear driving mode allows drivers to choose their own level of ESC support. This enables controlled and simultaneously precise oversteering. The 7-stage torque rear can be adjusted via the control satellite on the steering wheel. The new R8 GT is limited to 333 units worldwide with just 15 allocated for the UK market. Pricing is to be confirmed. New and exclusive exterior and interior features pay homage to the first generation of the R8 GT, such as sequential numbering, light alloy wheels, and an interior in a combination of black and red.